guys, welcome to Tag Bites. Today we're covering the paragraph tag. So the paragraph tag is essentially the P tag and the closing P tag that corresponds to it. And if we go here, I copied some I copied some text from pixelanatomy.com just to get some text. I'm too lazy. So that's just there, defines a paragraph. If we look at it in the here, you can see it's just a paragraph of text. So there are a couple of other text level elements you should know, not just paragraph. There's another tag you can do what's called a HR tag, okay? And that's the way we're going to do the HR tag. Actually, I think it's /HR. You do it. Oh no, wait. That's the one there. Okay. So what this will do is, if we look at this, okay, without the HR tag, we'll put the same paragraph in twice. So as you can see, we get two paragraphs. The HR tag stands for horizontal ruling. So what that does is, if we put HR in, save the file and refresh the page, it puts a horizontal line across the page where the HR tag is. So we can inspect the element, and as you can see, got the HR tag like so. Another very useful paragraph tag or paragraph style tag is called the break tag. So this big line here looks pretty long, this top one. So after motor gun, we're going to break that line and bring it down. So in order to do that, we find where it is. Here it is here. And we put in the BR tag. Okay. And then if we save it and reload it, you can see that after the BR tag here, the line got broken. So that forces it down onto the next line. It's a line break tag. Now there's another tag you can use, which is cool. It's called block quote. It's kind of like a paragraph. Essentially, a block quote is used when you're quoting from another source. Now you could just use a P tag and style it, but a block quote tag is block quote. Okay, it's a cool tag. It's essentially a P tag for quotes. Text level tag, and then if we go refresh, the second one here has been pushed in a little bit. That signifies it's a quote. So that's the P, HR, BR, and P tags. In fact, if I just put the HR tag back in, boom. Oops, I never saved it, did I? There we go. So that's how the P tag, the HR tag, the BR tag, and the P tag works. Now one thing I want to do is, this is perfectly valid. The reason I put that in is because I use the XHTML coding standard, but I write in HTML5. It essentially means there's less gibberish, I suppose, if you want to call it that. And the XHTML standard is much stricter. So I write to that standard and it looks nicer in my opinion. So anyway, that's P, BR, HR and block quote tags.